Okay, this is a sets question where we've got set A is the numbers 2, 3, 4, and 5. B is 4, 5, 6, and 7. And we're asked to list, first of all, the intersection. So I'm looking for numbers which are in set A and also in set B. Well, I can see that 4 is in both sets and 5 is also in both sets. So A intersection B must be the numbers 4 and 5. Question then says, how many members are in the union of A and B? Now, to find the union of A and B, let's do that first. A union B means I look at the two sets and I make a list of everything that I can see, everything that's in one set or the other or both. And I can see that that's going to be 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So the number of members of A union B is just 6. I could also write that as n of A union B is equal to 6. So next part, we are told that the universal set, that's the set that contains all of the others, is 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And set P is 3, 4, and 5. So I can actually draw that on a Venn diagram, and I think that might help in this case. So the universal set, I can actually write out here if you like, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Those numbers are the only numbers which can appear within the Venn diagram. And set P is the numbers 3, 4, and 5. Okay, that is set P. Now we're told that there are two other sets, Q and R, each of which has only 3 members. And the intersection of P with Q is 3, 4, and the intersection of P with R is also 3, 4, but set Q isn't the same as set R. So let's have a look at how that could be. So the intersection, let's start with Q first, is 3 and 4. So outside here, I'm going to draw, okay, this is set Q, and the intersection of the two sets is 3 and 4. So out here, I need to put only one number because Q contains exactly 3 members. I can't use 3, 4, or 5, but I could use 6 or 7. So let's say I'm going to put 6 there. So let's just check. The intersection is 3, 4. Q has 3 members, and 6 is contained within the universal set. So that's a possible set Q, 3, 4, and 6. Now, a possible set R then, well, we're allowed to have either 6 or 7 here, so instead of 6, I could have 7 here, and that's also going to work. So set R could be 3, 4, 7, could be the other way round as well, but those are the only two possibilities, 3, 4, 6, and 3, 4, 7, if Q and R both have exactly 3 members. Could be the other way round. These are interchangeable. We don't know which one's which.